All right, let's jump right into this explainer. We're looking at something that can make or break a major gathering, how modern event transportation software completely transforms the way we move people. Whether you're managing a massive music festival, coordinating a highly secure corporate retreat, or organizing a citywide marathon, getting thousands of people from point A to point B safely and on time is absolutely critical. Today, we're zooming in on the exact technology that makes seamless event mobility possible.
Here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the core event transportation challenge, look at who actually uses these platforms, and explore the guest and driver experiences. Then we'll dive into admin operations and AI, check out deployment and transportation modes, and finally wrap up with the hard business benefits and key takeaways.
Section 1. The Event Transportation Challenge. If you've ever run an event, you know exactly how massive of a headache moving people can be.
Just think about the stark contrast between the absolute chaos of manual coordination and the smooth efficiency of an intelligent platform. On one side, you've got the traditional, stressful approach. We're talking printed spreadsheets, scattered text messages, and those inevitable communication gaps that lead to massive delays. It's a logistical nightmare. But on the flip side, you have an intelligent platform replacing all that guesswork with centralized management, real-time routing, and automated dispatch. It literally takes a totally fragmented process and unifies the whole shebang. Moving on to Section 2, who uses the platform? Because as we all know, an event isn't run by just one person. This single platform actually serves a really wide variety of stakeholders. It's not just some back-end tool for the IT team. It connects literally everyone, from the VIP guest who needs discrete, specific routing, to the driver navigating heavy traffic, all the way up to the event organizers and operations teams monitoring the entire fleet. By getting all these different users onto one unified system, you completely eliminate the communication silos that usually cause event logistics to break down in the first place. Section 3. Guest and driver experiences. Let's look at how this tech lives right in the pockets of the people on the ground. For your attendees, it's all about autonomy and safety. No more standing at a curb wondering if a shuttle is ever going to show up. Through a dedicated guest app, they get secure booking, live vehicle tracking, and precise pickup guidance. It even has SOS and accessibility features built right in. So priority routing and urgent support are literally just a tap away, which is a massive win for guest peace of mind. And on the flip side, drivers get a dedicated app to manage their daily reality. They can instantly see their assigned trips, use turn-by-turn navigation that's actually optimized for venue roads, and keep up instant communication with dispatch. If there's a road blockage or, any sort of emergency, they can trigger an incident report immediately. This is a real game changer because it drastically cuts down on operational errors. The driver always knows exactly where they need to be. All right, Section 4, Admin Operations and AI. Let's pull back the curtain and look at this centralized control center.
It's fascinating how specific back-end tools in the admin dashboard directly translate to tangible operational successes on the ground. Take queue management, for instance. It isn't just a digital list. It actually ensures a steady physical flow of vehicles across your locations. Then you've got role-based access, which keeps your structured operations totally secure by giving permissions only to the right dispatchers. And dispatch management directly guarantees schedule reliability, whether you're doing manual assignments or letting the system auto-route. Zooming out to the broader platform, event managers get absolute end-to-end visibility. We're talking comprehensive route optimization, live shuttle tracking, and parking flow management to stop congestion at the gates before it even starts. Plus, you can white label the software so it seamlessly matches your event's branding, and it connects via API to everything from GPS trackers to RFID ticketing systems. It's incredibly robust.
But here's the crucial point. This isn't just a static map. It is a living, breathing system powered by AI operational intelligence. What that means is the software uses predictive analytics and real-time data to automatically balance your fleet resources and adjust routes based on actual demand and traffic conditions. It learns and adapts on the fly. By leveraging these AI capabilities, operators are basically handed a logistics superpower. You can literally see crowd density heat maps via geofencing and beacons. So imagine a massive crowd suddenly surges right after a keynote speech ends. The system uses predictive allocation to automatically send more shuttles to that exact zone, all while dynamically rerouting them around sudden traffic disruptions. It's pretty incredible. Section 5. Deployment and transportation modes. Let's talk about the vehicles on the road and how to actually launch this thing. Every event is totally unique, right? Well, the software scales to manage literally any mode of transportation. Whether you need massive coach buses and shuttles for a sprawling festival, minibuses and vans for a corporate retreat, or discrete luxury SUVs and rideshare options for your VIPs, the platform tracks and routes them all simultaneously under one unified system. You also get total flexibility in how the system is deployed. For a lot of organizers, a quick cloud SaaS launch is perfect for immediate scalability. But say you're managing highly sensitive corporate or government events, you can utilize an on-premise or hybrid setup for maximum security. It even supports multi-venue deployments for those massive citywide conferences, using an API-first modular design. So you only add the features you actually need.
And the rollout itself? It's incredibly straightforward and highly structured. It kicks off with a thorough gap analysis to pinpoint your exact needs, then moves right into deployment and custom configuration. After integrating with your existing tools and setting up support, it all culminates in a fully supported solution launch. You get your branded apps completely ready for your guests and drivers without the usual launch day panic.
Finally, Section 6, Business Benefits and Takeaways. Let's look at the real-world ROI. I absolutely love this quote from Isabel Simmons at Goodwood Racing because it perfectly captures the immense relief operations teams feel when they finally ditch those scattered texts. She says switching from printed spreadsheets and scattered text requests to a fully digital platform was a game changer, consolidated all requests and data in one place. It's that shift to a single, centralized digital truth that makes all the difference. The financial and operational benefits here are just undeniable. By optimizing your routes and utilizing predictive AI, you get much better fleet utilization. And that directly translates to lower operational costs and significantly reduced delays. At the same time, you're centralizing your operations and scaling effortlessly, all while delivering a seriously elevated premium experience for every single attendee. To wrap things up, intelligent event transportation software fundamentally transforms how you plan, execute, and monitor your event mobility. It completely ends the era of manual guesswork and drives massive guest satisfaction by putting real-time data directly into everyone's hands. So, I'll leave you with this thought. How much more could your event achieve if you and your team never had to worry about logistics delays, ever again?